Welcome kids to your English grammar class, and today we'll start again a new chapter of Focus English Grammar Class 7 by Coral Publishers. The chapter is chapter number 8, Adjectives and Kinds of Adjectives. तो क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं आज हम? Adjectives पढ़ेंगे और उसके kinds पढ़ेंगे. पहले पढ़ते हैं कि adjective क्या होते हैं. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Noun और pronoun के meaning में जो word add किया जाता है, तो उसके meaning में जो word add करते हैं उसे कहते हैं adjective. Now read the sentences given below. They lived in a beautiful house. Few people survived the air crash. There are 12 months in a year. I haven't much work to do. Puneet sold his dog. The word beautiful, 12, few, much and his in the above sentences add to the meaning of the nouns house, months, people, work and dog respectively. अब इन sentences में ध्यान से देखिएगा बच्चों, जो nouns हैं जैसे ये house है, इसमें इसकी मीनिंग ऐड किया गया है एक वर्ड ब्यूटीफुल. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या हो जाता है? हाउस तो है लेकिन कैसा हाउस है? सुंदर हाउस. फ्यू पीपल, पीपल नाउन, उससे पहले फ्यू ऐड किया गया है. कितने लोग? थोड़े से लोग. सो दे आर एडजेक्टिव्स. ये वर्ड्स जो हैं वो हैं एडजेक्टिव्स. ईच एडजेक्टिव इज फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन इट क्वालिफाइज. जिस हर एक एडजेक्टिव के बाद एक नाउन है जिसको वो क्वालिफाई करता है. काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स, कितने तरह के होते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स? देयर आर 10 काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर और न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स, प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव्स, एम्फेटिक एडजेक्टिव्स, relative adjectives. There are 10 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality. अब एक एक करके हम सारे kinds पढ़ेंगे. Such adjectives which tell us what kind of a person or thing is. किस तरह का वो person या thing है वो जो बताता है वो क्या कहलाते हैं? Are called adjectives of quality. As they describe a person or a thing, they are also called descriptive adjectives. वो किसी person या किसी चीज़ के बारे में बताते हैं तो उनको descriptive adjectives भी कहा जाता है. Read the sentences given below. The girl has pink frock. My mother has poor eyesight. Mr. Sharma is an excellent teacher. The child has curly hair. Kapil Dev is a great cricketer. The adjectives pink, curly, poor, great and excellent tell us what kind a person or a thing is. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quality. तो इन adjectives को adjective of quality कहा जाता है जो कि उस चीज़ के बारे में बताते हैं कि ये चीज़ या ये इंसान किस तरह का है. Adjectives of quality answer the question. अब ये question का भी आंसर देते हैं. Of what kind? किस तरह का? Okay? Adjectives of quantity. Such adjectives which tell us how much of a thing is intended are called adjectives of quantity. Kitna? How much? Read the sentences given below. There is a little milk in the jug. He spent all his wealth. He has much money to spend. She has enough money to buy toys. He has some rice. The adjectives little, all, much, enough, some tell us much of a thing is intended. Such adjectives are called adjective of quantity. Kitna? How much? Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Okay? Adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. Such adjectives which tell us how many persons or things are meant or in what way or order a person or thing stands are called adjectives of number. Read the sentences given below. अब ये adjectives जो हैं ये बताते हैं कितने लोग, कितनी चीज़ें. How much, how many. Fine. He is 60 years of age. This is the first edition of the book. Here are 10 books for you. The teacher warned Ramesh several times. There are only a few seats lying vacant. Most of the men have to work hard to earn their bread and butter. The adjectives 60, first, 10, several, few and most tell us how many persons or things there are, or in what order any of them stands. Such adjectives are called adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. अब ये क्या क्वेश्चन आता है इस एडजेक्टिव में? एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ नंबर आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ मेनी और इन व्हाट वे और ऑर्डर. ठीक है, इसका क्वेश्चन बनता है हाउ मेनी. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. द एडजेक्टिव्स दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज, सेम point out which persons or things meant. Such adjectives are called demonstrative adjectives. क्या point out करते हैं ये? Which person or thing. This, that, these, those. Read the sentences given below. This girl is very honest. That boy topped in the exam. These bags are for sale. Rohit and Mohit are in the same class. Those girls will take part in the competition. This and that are used with singular nouns. जब this and that यूज़ करते हैं तो उसमें singular nouns के साथ यूज़ किया जाता है. These and those with plural nouns. देखिए जैसे this girl singular, girl एक है. That boy singular. This and that किसके साथ आया? singular के साथ. और these those देखिए these bags एक से ज़्यादा bags plural हो गए. Demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. अब दोनों के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Words this, that, these and those can be used as demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. अब ये जो words हैं this, that, these, those, ये demonstrative adjectives के जैसे भी use होते हैं और demonstrative pronouns जैसे भी. Study the following sentences carefully. अब देखते हैं कैसे. This pen is mine. This qualifies the noun pen. Therefore, it is an adjective. क्योंकि ये पेन ये नाउन को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है दिस, तो ये एडजेक्टिव है. दिस इज माई पेन. दिस स्टैंड्स फॉर नाउन पेन. ओके, अब दिस किसके लिए यूज किया गया है? पेन के लिए. पेन के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. Therefore, it is a pronoun. पेन की जगह पे दिस लगाया गया है. ठीक है, तो ये प्रोनाउन है. These gloves are woolen. Demonstrative adjective हो गया ये. Okay? And these are woolen gloves. ये demonstrative pronoun हुआ क्योंकि gloves के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. These किसके लिए यूज किया जा रहा है? gloves के लिए. और यहाँ पे gloves noun है. noun से पहले यूज हुआ है तो ये adjective है. Okay children? Let's move further. We should remember that an adjective is usually placed just before the noun it qualifies. Distributive adjective, a kind of numeral adjective. अब ये जो distributive adjective है ये एक numeral adjective का ही kind है. Distributive adjectives show that the persons or things from a group are taken one at a time. किसी भी group से person या thing जो कि group में है उनको one at a time ही लिया जाता है. Read the sentences given below. Each man has his own opinion. There are big trees on either side of the road. We drink juice every day. Neither book was very interesting. The adjectives each, every, either and neither refer to persons or things taken separately. These words are called distributive adjectives when they are used with nouns. जब nouns के साथ यूज हो रहे हैं ये तो ये distributive adjectives होते हैं. ओके, नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस. यहाँ भी देखिए दो तरह से यूज होते हैं ये. नोट द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स अबाउट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. अब ईच, आइदर, नाइदर आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस एज वेल एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, बट एवरी इज ओनली एन एडजेक्टिव. अब देखिए each, either, neither ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउंस भी हैं एज वेल एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स भी हैं, लेकिन जो एवरी है वो केवल एडजेक्टिव ही होता है. ओके, एवरी इज नॉट प्रोनाउन. Read the sentences carefully. There are 4 men and I have 4 chocolates, so I can give a chocolate each. यहाँ पे ये क्या है? प्रोनाउन है. There are 4 men and I have 4 chocolates, so I can give a chocolate each. There are 4 men and I have 4 chocolates, so I can give a chocolate to each boy. ये हो गया एडजेक्टिव क्योंकि नाउन से पहले यूज हुआ है. ये Both jackets are too small, so I can't wear either. Pronoun. There was a table on either side of the door. Adjective. I have 2 caps, but neither fits me properly. Pronoun. Neither boy can swim. Adjective हो गया because boy is a noun and noun से पहले use हुआ है. I have read every book in the back. This is also adjective. But we cannot say I have read every in the cupboard. Every is only an adjective and must be followed by a noun or pronoun. In sentence 2, 4 and 6, each, either and neither are adjectives. यहाँ देखिए 2, 4 और 6 में each, either और neither जो हैं वो क्या हैं? Adjectives हैं because they are followed by nouns boy, side and girl respectively. When every is used, attention is given to the whole group. Every का मतलब पूरे ग्रुप की तरफ attention जाता है. When each is used, attention is given to every individual in a group. ग्रुप में हर एक इंडिविजुअल पे अगर attention देना है तो वहाँ क्या यूज होता है? each. each one बोलते हैं ना, और जो every होता है वो पूरे एक ग्रुप के लिए बोला जाता है. For example, take the books off that shelf and dust everyone. Emphasize on the group. Take each book and read it carefully. Emphasize on the individual book. Each book मतलब एक book. Okay? We use every to talk about a large indefinite number of people and things. We use each to talk about a group which has a definite and rather small number. For example, we want every child to take part in games. Every child मतलब all the children. सभी बच्चों के लिए बोला जा रहा है every child. Hari gave me 4 apples. Each apple is red. A definite and small number. ये छोटा नंबर है. 4 apples के बारे में बात हो रही है और each apple मतलब हर एक apple red है. We use either and neither when we talk about 2 persons or 2 things. जब भी हम 2 person या 2 चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं तो either या neither यूज करते हैं. Either means one and or the other of 2. Neither means not this one and not that one. For example, neither boy can swim means not one and not the other of 2. दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. He can write with either hand, one or the other of 2. He can write with either hand मतलब दोनों हाथों में से किसी से भी लिख सकता है. Distributive adjectives are followed by singular countable nouns and take singular verb. जो distributive adjectives होते हैं वो followed by किससे होते हैं? singular countable nouns और वो singular verb use होता है. For example, each apple is red. Every member was present. Either set gives a clear view of the stage. In the above sentences, apple, member, seat and statement. This is seat, either seat. Are singular countable nouns. ये सब singular countable nouns हैं. And, is, was and gives are singular verbs. अब इसके साथ जो यूज किया गया is, was, gives ये भी singular verb है. Now comes the interrogative adjectives. The words what, which and whose when used with nouns is asking questions are called interrogative adjectives. Read the sentences given below. अब देखिए what, which, whose, when. इससे जब ये noun के साथ यूज होते हैं तो क्वेश्चन बनता है, इसे कहा जाता है इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. What information have you about it? What? Which book do you want? Whose shirt is he wearing? In the above sentences, which, whose and what are adjectives. They are called interrogative adjectives because they are used with nouns, information, book and shoes to ask questions. Nouns के साथ use होते हैं questions बनाने के लिए. Okay? So these are interrogative adjectives. Note, whose is used for asking questions about person. Whose. Which is used for asking questions about a person or thing. And what is used for things only. चीज़ों के लिए जब पूछते हैं तो उसमें what लगता है. Interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Now see, again, दोनों चीज़ तरह use होता है ये. Words like what and which can be used as interrogative adjectives and as interrogative pronouns. Study the following sentences carefully. Which train is late? Interrogative adjective. Which is the mail train? ये हो गया interrogative pronoun कि mail train के लिए which use हुआ है. What plan did you follow? Noun से पहले आया तो interrogative adjective हो गया. What is your plan? Interrogative pronoun. Next is possessive adjectives. Adjectives which help to show ownership or possession are called possessive adjectives. जो ownership दिखाते हैं या position show करते हैं उसे कहते हैं possessive adjectives. Read the sentences given below. My bike needs repairs. This plant is losing its leaves. That is your book. This is her pen. In the above sentences, the words my, its, yours and your and her show ownership or possession. They qualify the nouns car, leaves, house and book. इन nouns को qualify करते हैं. Therefore, they are called possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose. कौन से क्वेश्चन को आंसर करता है possessive adjectives? Whose. किसका? We use possessive adjectives before a noun to say who the noun belongs to. Now, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Again, study the following examples carefully. This is not my pen. Mine is new. In the first sentence, my is used as possessive adjective. क्योंकि पेन से नाउन से पहले यूज किया गया तो ये एडजेक्टिव है, possessive adjective. In the second sentence, the word mine stands for my pen, मेरा पेन. So it is used as a pronoun. The words my, your, his, her, hers, they and its are possessive adjectives. Proper adjectives. What are proper adjectives? Proper adjectives are proper nouns used as adjective forms of proper nouns. Proper adjectives क्या होते हैं? वो होते हैं proper nouns जिनका यूज किया जाता है as adjective forms of proper noun. Proper nouns के adjective forms की तरह यूज किया जाता है. Read the sentences given below. He is an Indian. This is proper noun. I went to visit Japan. Again, proper noun. He is an Indian soldier. Now see, Indian soldier. Soldier is noun. उससे पहले यूज किया गया Indian तो ये proper adjective हो गया. I enjoyed the French food. Again, food से पहले French यूज हुआ है तो ये proper adjective है. Emphatic adjectives. Adjectives which are used to emphasize our opinion about something are called emphatic adjectives. हमारे ओपिनियन को एम्फसाइज करने के लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं emphatic adjectives. जो adjectives एम्फसाइज करने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं किसी ओपिनियन को. Read the sentences given below. The real owner of this firm is somebody else. I have a very bad cold. Words like real, very, complete, true, perfect, own, total and absolute are called emphatic adjectives because we use them to emphasize our opinion about something. किसी भी चीज़ के लिए, किसी के लिए भी कोई opinion को अगर emphasize करना होता है तो उसके लिए use किए जाते हैं ये words. These are called emphatic adjectives. Relative adjectives. The words what, which and whose. What, which and whose are classed as relative adjectives when they are used with nouns to relate clause. जब nouns के साथ what, which और whose use किया जाता है किसी clause को relate करने के लिए तब उसे कहते हैं relative adjectives. Read the sentences given below. I know the boy whose father is a policeman. In the above sentence, the word whose is a relative adjective because it is followed by the noun father. Noun को इससे बात क्या आ रहा है? Noun. Noun से पहले यूज हुआ है तो ये है relative adjective. And moreover, it relates to clauses. दो clauses है ना? I know a boy जिसके फादर पुलिसमैन है तो दो क्लॉजेस को रिलेट कर रहा है. आई नो द बॉय एंड हिज फादर इज अ पुलिसमैन. फाइन चिल्ड्रन, अंडरस्टूड? अब करते हैं कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस. पिक आउट एडजेक्टिव्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. मेंशन द काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव एंड द नाउन इट क्वालिफाइज. पिक आउट एडजेक्टिव्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. Mention the kind of adjective and the noun it qualifies. अब यहाँ हमें क्या करना है इन sentences में से? पहले adjectives कौन से हैं वो बताने हैं और फिर kind क्या है उसका adjective का, किस तरह का adjective है और किस noun को qualify कर रहा है. That we have to tell. There was little information of the subject. Now the adjective is little. This is adjective. And the noun it qualifies is the information. Okay? And which kind of adjective is it? It is the adjective of quantity. बता रहा है कितना information, how much. Some trees have long leaves. This is again the adjective is long. This is the adjective long and the noun it qualifies is the leaves. And this is the adjective of quality. किस तरह के पत्ते हैं? How, which type? तो it is long. I don't like this habit of yours. Here the adjective is yours and the noun it qualifies is, so we write here adjective adj and the noun it qualifies is habit and the type is possessive. Father gave me 500 rupees for my pocket money. 500 rupees. So 500 is the adjective here, children. Write down adj. Then the noun it qualifies is rupees and the type is numeral adjective. Now rest of the sentences, बाकी के sentences आप अपने आप करेंगे क्योंकि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा अब तक टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स क्या क्या हैं और एडजेक्टिव्स होते क्या हैं, कितने तरह के होते हैं. सो डू इट, ट्राई इट आउट योरसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स व्हाट, व्हिच एंड whose. Dash books are these. Whose books are these? किसके हैं ये books? Dash child knows the answer. Which child knows the answer? Dash country do you come from? Which country do you come from? Dash color is your car. What color is your car? Dash pen was stolen. Whose pen was stolen? Dash son won the race. Whose son won the race? Fine? Now fill in the blanks with possessive adjectives such as my, our, her, his, her, etc. Please write dash name clearly. Please write my name clearly. We grow roses in dash garden. We grow roses in our garden. She was carrying a baby who is sleeping in dash arms. In her arms. Look at my dog. Dash tail is short. His tail is short. Show me dash hands. Show me your hands. A sheep is an animal that is kept for milk and for dash wool and for its wool. Okay, children? Moving further. Rewrite each sentence replacing the group of words in italics with an adjective. The first one has been done for you. अब यहाँ आपको कुछ words दिए गए हैं और जो italics में words हैं उनको आपको rewrite करना है, change करना है, replace करना है with an adjective. See, he is a boxer by profession. Boxer by profession. इसको कैसे चेंज किया है? He is a professional boxer. Fine? अब यहाँ क्या वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं? Golden, muddy, dangerous, stony, illiterate. Boil the syrup till it is the color of gold. Color of gold. इसको चेंज करेंगे हम. कैसे? Boil the syrup till it is the golden color. यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? Golden color. पूरा सेंटेंस लिखेंगे, you'll write the whole sentence और इसको चेंज कर देंगे golden color. The lane is covered with mud. इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे? देखिए ये golden हो गया. The lane is muddy. The lane is muddy. You'll write the whole sentence, children. मैं पूरा sentence नहीं लिखूंगी. I'll just change it, replace it. It was a situation of great danger. Great danger. इसकी जगह क्या होगा? It was a dangerous situation. Dangerous. It was a dangerous situation. इसमें थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस के फॉर्म्स भी चेंज हो जाएंगे. Situation. Fine. So dangerous also done, muddy also done. The soil in our garden is full of stones. Full of stones. The soil in our garden is stony. Stony. Fine. The old farmer was unable to read or write. Unable to read or write. इसकी जगह क्या लिखेंगे? The old farmer was illiterate. Illiterate. Fine. Understood? Now, this was all in this chapter, children. I hope you have understood it very well और मज़ा भी आया होगा पढ़ के. So, let's meet again with a new chapter, something new, something very interesting. And thanks for watching the video. Till then, be happy, keep learning. Bye.